Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to export your meeting notes, transcripts, and summaries from Fathom? Let me show you how on the free plan. Method 1 is the manual copy-paste way. Open any meeting recap in Fathom, select the transcript, text, or AI summary, and copy it. Then paste directly into your Notes app, Google Doc, or Notion. This works for every meeting but takes a few seconds per call. Method 2 is the bulk export option. Install the transcript exporter Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. It connects to your Fathom account via API and lets you export all transcripts, AI summaries, and action items in one click. You can choose between text, CSV, JSON, or Markdown formats, filter by date, range, speaker, or keywords to export only what you need. The free version of Transcript Exporter lets you export normally. The Pro subscription at around $7 per month adds automatic cloud backup to Google Drive or Dropbox. Another option is the Appify Fathom Transcript Exporter tool. Enter your Fathom API key, which you generate from Fathom user settings, and your email address. This exports all your meeting data as structured JSON and Markdown files. For the manual method, one meeting at a time is fine for occasional use. For regular exports and batch processing, the Chrome extension or Appify tool is much faster. And that is it. Manual copy for quick needs, bulk tools for serious volume. If you export your transcripts, let me know which method you used in the comments. See you in the next one.